Hi guys, it's Janine and welcome back to the channel. And today, my gift. What we're doing today is I am sharing with you some of Iris's most iconic looks. And this is my thank you na rin for being so supportive of Iris. Kahit super bad girl siya and super kontrabida, talagang naramdaman ko yung pagmamahal niyo all throughout Lavender Fields. And I just want to honor that journey with this vlog and show you guys how I really got to the core of Iris through fashion. Si Iris talaga yung pinakaunang character na ginampanan ko na talagang super duper hardcore fashionista. And that's one of the things that was easy to relate to about her. Kasi yung pagkamaldita niya, medyo hard to achieve, pero the fashion is what I understood. So that's also something that I really tried to put super effort in to give justice to that kind of character. For all the fashion girlies and guys who appreciated her looks, this vlog is for you. Cheers! Okay, so I have some of the looks that I used in the show, and that's what I'm gonna show you today. But we're also gonna talk about some of my favorite looks that Iris wore throughout the show. So ang nangyari throughout the show is I worked with, of course, the stylist of the show, si Mervin Lazaro. Hi, Mervin! Super galing niya. He's also the stylist of Coco Martin, Ate Jody, among many others, and he's amazing. So he came up with the initial deck for Iris. And then I also worked with my personal stylist, si MJ Benitez, and a lot of the brands that we work with. Like, we were lucky enough to get some Gucci pieces, to use a lot of our friends' vintage designer pieces, and some of our favorite local designers. And that is also the case with this first Iris dress. So this gown is Iris's birthday dress. Oh, parang nakaka-emo pala! Nakaka-emo pala! This is Iris's birthday party dress. And we made this pagawa kay Anthony Ramirez. So if you don't know him, Anthony Ramirez is an amazing local designer. And he made this dress for Iris talaga. So one of the things na parang core characteristics ng style ni Iris is yung cutout. So for all the hubaderas, how to get Iris's style is just get like something with the cutouts, color red or color black, or any like strong shape. And yeah, this turned out to be, I think, the most iconic outfit ni Iris kasi siya yung nasa poster. And wala, ang ganda lang niya. So, pinili ko lang talagang magmaganda para sa birthday ni Iris kasi I thought it would be such an iconic scene because it's the first time that she meets Lavender. And this is what she wore. This Anthony Ramirez. Bye, Iris. Bago tuluyang ibaon sa lupa. Guys, I always say don't be afraid to outfit repeat. And even Iris, as like a super rich girl, she also outfit repeats. And this is one of the things that I wore a lot of times on the show. This is a DD Daily blazer. It's an oversized blazer that's a personal favorite in my own closet. So I also used some of the clothes na talagang sa akin for Iris. Pero honestly, medyo malayo yung style namin kasi ako medyo parang ganito lang talaga and si Iris is super kabog. But this is something that I think everyone should have, like a good black blazer. And this is what Iris wore a lot to the office. And parang nakatulong din siya to feel like powerful and confident. So it really helped me to power dress as Iris to get the vibe of like a super CEO boss lady, bad bitch. Bad bitch! And wait, speaking of outfit repeating, this is something din na I wore like so many times on the show. This is a Boom Sason mini skirt that has a very hubadera trait. There's a slit that goes up. So depending on how Irisy you feel on that day, pwede siyang super high or ibaba mo kung medyo conservative. And I wore this so many times, mixed and matched it with so many different outfits. So it's always good to have like a good black mini skirt. Sobrang gamit na gamit to, guys. This is also something na sa akin talaga. Kahit na nasa office si Iris, medyo lumalabas pa rin yung pagka-sexy girl niya, hubadera girl. So she also has these blazers that have cutouts. Wala, cutouts talaga yung parang pinaka-defining trait niya. So even at the office, she would have these like blazers with the cutouts or with the ties. And I remember this one burgundy blazer na super like cutout sa likod. So she was still able to like showcase her personality even in the office. But I don't know guys, wag niyo siyang gayahin kung medyo conservative ang office niyo kasi good luck na lang. This one is something that is also mine. This is a Carolina Herrera suit that I wore. I wore this actually before for like a photo sa isang award that I received. And I'm so happy na nagamit ko din yung ibang clothes ko for Iris. And I really just tried to stay authentic to what a person like Iris would wear. In terms of brands and accessories. And I think it really helped me then differentiate her from myself. Kahit na yung ibang damit ko, yung styling was different. So, it really helped me to become mataray. Not that you guys will ever need that, but I mean, I'm just saying na yung pagka-style mo can be different depending on your needs for the occasion or for the day. But you can really just mix and match your clothes. Speaking of Hubadera, this is Iris's bikini. I chose the Iris bikini myself kasi kinakabahan talaga ako mag-bikini sa TV. I've never worn a bikini on TV. And it's super intimidating kasi I've done it, of course, in photo shoots. Pero in photo shoots kasi I feel safe kasi it's a photo. So you can choose the best photo, diba? Tsaka I always work with my team lang. So confident ako maghubad kasi it's always like DJ or like yung my makeup, everyone. Tapos kami-kami lang. Tapos pati yung mga lighting boys ni DJ, sila Damian. Super 10 years ko na sila ka-work. So kebs lang nila sa akin kung maghubad ako. Ako din parang kebs lang, you know, with like with like bench body or with a calendar. I feel super confident to be in a swimsuit, anything like that in front of them. Kasi closed set siya. Pero guys, sa taping nakakatakot kasi it's so many people. Like, one day on set is probably like 100, 150 people. And, ay, nakakatakot. I'm getting flashbacks. Kinikilabutan ako. And this was like, parang first taping day ko, second taping day ko. And first taping day ko to with Jericho. And then nagbikini na ako agad. Tapos may kiss pa agad. Tapos di pa kami close, syempre. Anyway. So, pinaghandaan ko talaga na mag-bikini on TV. Kasi nga, it's harder on TV kasi sometimes it's true that the TV makes you look bigger. And I just really wanted to do my best and like be like really fit kasi to match then the personality of Iris. So talagang super nag-workout ako. Nung nagte-take na, gutom na ako, so kumakain ako ng granola habang iniintay yung action kasi parang baka mahihilo na ako. But I just wanted to look good for the first bikini scene of Iris. So, yeah. This is what we came up with. Ito yung final choice. But I also bought another bikini. I bought like 3 red bikinis for this. And I bought like 1 blue Gucci bikini. I'll show you. Na-pressure talaga ako kasi si Iris talagang top-tier fashionista. So I was like, ano bang susuotin ng super-duper fashionista na bikini? So, check ako sa Gucci. I got a Gucci bikini. Anyway, guys, I'm happy that we were able to achieve this bikini scene and thank you for the support. I super like this look kasi this is also the look na lumalabas dun sa thumbnail sa Netflix. We got by with so much help from our friends. We really borrowed from our friends who have like such nice closets. Even DJ lent me clothes. My friend and makeup artist Anthea lent me her bags and her accessories. So talagang group community effort yung wardrobe ni Iris. Of course, along with the show's wardrobe. And yeah, this is like a Japanese designer and this is what I wore to the funeral of Tyler. This one is finally a white outfit kasi ito yung bait-baitan era ni Iris. And this is also one of my personal clothes na I've had this for years, as in super duper tagal na. I feel like more than 5 years or like 7 years. And it's a Tory Burch top and bottom na matching. And it's perfect for bait-baitan events like binyags, birthdays ng inaanaks, or just pag gusto mong maging mabait. It's perfect and fresh and like floral. So this is something that I also really enjoyed wearing kasi it's such a departure from yung mga I mean, guys, so this is something that I was able to use also towards the end of the show.
Yeah.
This one is also Iris's Bait-Baitan era. This is a Vanya set also, a Vanya top and skirt. So I enjoyed also that I was able to wear super opposite, like the whites and the laces and the florals. And it was fun kasi I got to wear a lot of my favorite local designers like Vanya and Anthony. So I have another Vanya here actually. This is one of Iris's pambahays. It's just a black dress that's a wraparound. And oh yeah, I'll show you guys. Kasi kahit sa bahay, forma si Iris. Minsan inaasar na nga ako ni Derek na, oh, kung bahay mo yan. Pero kasi si Iris talaga na-pressure ako to make her like a really cool fashionista. So you can wear it like this. You can also wear it na parang off-shoulder. And then it's just a wraparound. Right now, it probably looks like a samurai robe. But I'll put the actual photo here. Yeah, there are really those people who really dress up even at home, which is not me. Pero Iris definitely would have always like worn something nice even at home. Okay, guys, this next look is like actually really funny kasi I tried to choose like something that made me feel badass and confident. Kasi ito yung babarilin ni Iris C. Oh wait, spoiler alert but I mean, only watch this if you're done with the show. Ito yung babarilin ni Iris C. Lavender. So I chose like a denim structured jacket na Jean-Paul Gaultier that we borrowed also from a friend. And it's like, for the whole show, hinahanapan ko siya ng moments. Parang ako, oh, ito na. So she wore this denim jacket with a mini skirt. And then she put her little señorita gun in her little bottega. Loka-loka talaga to si Iris. And her Bottega Mini Jody. Tapos tinago niya yung baril niya here inside her Bottega Mini Jody. Shoutout to Direk Manny, by the way, kasi palagi niya inaasar yung mga bags ni Iris na sinong magbabag ng ganyang kaliit. Thank you, by the way, Anthea Bueno, for lending me all your tiny, tiny bags. Pero yung clincher ng outfit na to is she still had to wear socks kasi pumasok siya dun sa Art and Island na kailangan naka-socks ka. So medyo nakasira yun sa pagka-badass nung outfit ko. But it was a moment. Oh my gosh. I also super like this look. So this was one of the earliest looks. Flashback pa to ni Iris. Long hair pa siya dito. It's another outfit that we borrowed from a friend. It's a vintage Chanel jacket that's green and black. And we paired it with this Chanel, small ba to or mini? I think it's a small flap because Iris is a Chanel girly. So this is also something that I sobrang inalagaan ko sa set. Kasi nakakatakot. Nakakatakot, syempre. This is Iris's Chanel look. And I also got to use this bag a lot of times. Nakaka-power din siya for Iris, I think. And I'm just so grateful that they really allowed me to contribute to the styling and the look of Iris. Kaya, ayun, ito siya. Guys, I'm so lucky kasi I got to borrow clothes from my friends. And I borrowed clothes from BJ. This is his Chanel top. And he lent me so many of his Chanel jackets. Thank you, Beej! And it really just made it super cool. Ang goal ko kasi is like, you know how sa K-drama, sobrang inaabangan mo din talaga yung mga outfits ng mga actresses and ng characters. And they wear like all these runway pieces. And when I saw that we were gonna be on Netflix, sobrang na-challenge ako. Kasi yun yung mga katabi mo on Netflix, diba? All the K-dramas with like the super cool fashion, everything is authentic. So that's what I really wanted to achieve for Iris and for our show na, you know, we're a Filipino show, but you're kind of on the global stage. So gusto ko din sana na ganun yung ma-achieve. And yeah, so thank you to my friends and like the houses and the brands that really helped us achieve that. And sobrang natutuwa din ako when like people who watch notice na, oh my God, your outfit or your bag. Kasi fashion is always fun and there's so much cool like Filipino style icons and like fashion lovers. So I hope we got to achieve that with Lavender Fields. And speaking of brands, I'm always a fan of Gucci, and I'm so lucky to get to work with them. And they also like lent us some clothes for Lavender Fields, and this is one of my personal Gucci bags kasi it's like a classic. This is one of my personal bags, but I'm also so happy and thankful I got to use a lot of Gucci looks, like the Gucci straw bag and another Gucci white bag for Iris. Actually, dami ko yatang nagamit na Gucci for Iris. So, yeah, thanks guys. But this is one of the bags that we used. I also have another favorite dress. Sayang, one sequence lang siya ginamit sa ospital. It's a white self-portrait dress. And yeah, it was just super nice. So, it's one of my favorites. Pero nasa ICU lang ako, tinitingnan ko lang si Max. Sayang, one sequence lang siya. So we started with the red Anthony dress, and then we also ended the formal looks with another red look. This is something that we kind of just came up with on the fly. This is a Carolina Herrera skirt na I paired with an old Boom Sason swimsuit from like 2015. And it just was fun kasi I love how you can use something for another purpose, like a swimsuit, as a tank top, and just reimagine how your clothes can come out. So naging formal pa tong swimsuit na to. And this is such a fun scene nung binuking ko si Lavender with my PowerPoint presentation. And going to shoes naman, Iris loved red, so pati sa shoes, we also used a lot of red and black. These are my Saint Laurent shoes that I wore to the ABS-CBN ball last year, which I bought for my red Raho gown, and I was able to use this for all of Iris's formal ganaps as well. Just like a formal shoe with like a stiletto heel. And then, this is something sobrang favorite to ng mga tao sa set kasi nakakainis siya and you can hear it coming. May pagka-ASMR siya, guys. Ayan siyang pang-caroling kung gusto mo. But these are Jimmy Choos that my stylist, Melville C, found. I started the show kasi wearing Louboutins na black. Pero guys, ang sakit. Hindi kaya pang taping na maglakad on like Louboutins. So these are like medyo mas daya. Jimmy Choos, more comfortable. And they have these super annoying diamantes that only Iris would wear. Pati ako, I don't know what to do with this na kasi parang I don't think I would really like wear this as myself. Pero, oh, hi Punchy. Ay, thank you for the cameo. So yeah, ito, palagi ko tong sinuot as Iris. And last but not the least, yung mga pang-office ni Iris. These were the more comfortable ones. This was on my other vlog, my capsule wardrobe. These are my Miu Mius, and then these are like Gucci slingbacks. So ito yung mga pang-office and more casual. But we really tried to make everything like a full look for the OOTD and for the vibes, and all the shoes and bags and accessories and even the jewelry really helped like make Iris a real person for me. So that's it, guys. That's my rack and my favorite looks of Iris. And I just want to say again, thank you so much for supporting Lavender Fields. If you watched it from start to finish, or even if you watched one episode, or even if ngayon ka palang manonood, we're still on Netflix and and now we're on ABS-CBN YouTube worldwide, so you can watch it no matter where you are. Thank you so much to my Lavender Fields family for really like holding my hand and teaching me and taking care of me in terms of everything that I had to do with Iris. Thank you guys, and thank you to everyone who supported. Thank you for watching the vlog. There's also the capsule wardrobe vlog if you're into our fashion content. Yeah, thank you guys. And Iris is officially done. This is my last Iris chururut, and I love you guys, and thank you so much, and see you at the next vlog and the next roll. Yeah, next roll. Bye, guys. And guys, if there's one lesson among the many that I learned from Iris, I think talagang be true to your style. Kasi nung nagsuot si Iris ng simple cardigan, nabaril siya. Kasi akala ng tatay niya siya si Lavender Fields. So even in the end, fashion killed Iris. Yun lang.